Well, that's it. The biggest consumer tech event of the year is over, and Team TechRadar was out in full force on the show floor to find the most exciting tech hitting the market in the coming years. From splashy household name launches to upstart inventions poised to shake up the market, here are some of the best devices we saw at CES 2026. We finally tried Samsung's long-rumoured new Trifold, and we were suitably impressed. When folded, it's just 12.9mm thick and has a 6.5-inch screen, but it transforms into a 10-inch tablet in an instant when you unfold its two panels. And at just 3.9mm thick, it bests even the Z Fold 7 in terms of thinness. It's not just a one-trick pony either. The Trifold has 5 cameras in total, powered by Qualcomm's customised Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, and a generous 5,600 mAh battery. It's the clear standout among CES's phones this year, and we're super excited to see it hit the market. These are Shokz's first open earbuds with active noise cancellation, though Shokz refers to it as noise reduction technology, as there's no in-ear seal and therefore it's not quite as powerful as ANC. However, when we tried them on the show floor, we felt the noise reduction was actually as good as a lot of the ANC earbuds on the market already. It's really effective, and paired with the impressive sound and high levels of comfort, these make for a great set of versatile earbuds. The LG W6 is a real showstopper, leveraging LG's most advanced OLED panel, the new primary RGB Tandem 2.0, which is also used in the LG G6. What makes the Wallpaper special is that it's just 9.9mm thick and totally uniform, meaning it can look practically invisible on the wall, aided by its ability to blend in using a photo of its surroundings. To further this minimalism, it uses a wireless connection box that's capable of full-quality 4K HDR pictures. It looks like it'll be a fantastic TV, thanks to the panel and LG's latest gen image processing, and should only cost a little more than the G6 does. That means you will be getting something super impressive and premium at a still realistic price. CES was absolutely swamped with RGB TVs this year, with the tech offering a greater range of colours and brighter picture. But the best in show by our reckoning is the Samsung R95H. It looks beautifully lush and colourful with impressively inky black tones, and Samsung's anti-reflective screen ensures you can see everything without distractions. More than that, this is a TV available in realistic sizes. While Samsung showed off 75-inch and 85-inch versions, and even an amazing 130-inch version, its RGB TVs will come in sizes starting from 55 inches. LG's SoundSuite H7 is the first soundbar to include Dolby Atmos Flex Connect, which can automatically configure your speakers for immersive spatial audio, even if they're not in the ideal spot in your room. The soundbar delivers 9.1.6 channels of Dolby Atmos sound on its own. However, you can add a sub and satellite speakers that are positioned anywhere in the room, and the soundbar will automatically optimize them and create the ideal immersive system. It sounds amazing, and the freedom of placement is a real game changer. For the uninitiated, Pebble holds a lot of sway in the wearable space, as it's the first smartwatch that really took off. And now the brand is back for round 2, with the Pebble Round 2. It's sleeker, rounder, and features a colour e-paper display offering a week of battery life per charge. As well as offering fitness and sleep tracking as we've come to expect from wearables, it also has open source software, meaning there's a range of apps and watch faces available too. Without question, the most exciting laptop of CES 2026 was the new Dell XPS 14. It's been redesigned, fixing the qualms we had with the last Dell XPS 14 and 2025's Dell 14 Premium, which was the short-lived successor to the XPS 14. Namely, those issues were the virtual function keys and invisible trackpad, which turned out to be an accessibility nightmare. The new XPS 14 is thinner and more modern looking than its predecessors, and with the new Intel Core Ultra Series 3 chips, it's even more powerful and better equipped to take on the Apple MacBook Air for the thin and light laptop crown. When it comes to gaming, we reckon the Lenovo Legion Pro Rollable is easily one of the most intriguing laptops we've ever seen. Its screen expands horizontally from a 16-inch display to 21.5 inches, and then once more to a 23.8-inch panel at max extension, all using a quick keyboard shortcut. The Legion Pro Rollable is an exciting prospect for PC gamers who travel often and want desk-like levels of screen space without attempting to cram a massive laptop in their bag. Gaming aside, it also brings benefits to everyday browsing and productivity, giving you more space to organize windows at the click of a button. However, it's only a proof of concept at the moment, but we'll be following it closely and let you know when it hits mainstream production. While Dreame is best known for its vacuum and cleaning tech, in a splashy show at CES 2026, the brand announced its entry into several new product categories, and one of the coolest things we saw at the show was the tiny Dreame Leaptic Cube. This mini action cam offers up to 8K recording or 4K in HDR if you prefer, but the clever part is its modular design. It uses a docking system, and Dreame demonstrated two modes, one with a clip-on battery and one with a touchscreen module. You can imagine all of the possibilities from accessories from here, all enabling smart extra functions. Nope. That's not a Star Wars droid. It's Roborock's next cleaning creation. This one is still in development, but we're already excited and a little terrified of it. It uses two extended legs to navigate your home more easily, and its articulation means it can even climb stairs, including spiral staircases. I'm not sure I can even manage that some days. In fact, stairs are just the start. Roborock says the Rover is designed to be able to tackle any kind of terrain or home layout, no matter how awkward, kind of like a 4x4 but for cleaning. Its object avoidance smarts means it can duck and dive around obstacles while remaining completely stable throughout. We're not quite sure why it would need such acrobatics, but it's certainly impressive to watch. This may be the most pet-like RoboVac we've ever seen as well. It's got personality, it's useful, and we love it. The new Ikea Varmblixt is a revamp of an ultra-popular lamp Ikea launched back in 2022, but this new version uses an array of LEDs to create a beautiful, soft toroidal glow. It can be controlled with the remote, or you can connect it to Ikea's Dreame Home Hub. It also works with any Matter-ready smart home control option too, which is a personal huge plus for me. It does really need to be seen to be appreciated, so make sure you head to your local Ikea to see it in action. We've doled out awards for the best headphones, best projector, best fitness tracker, and more, but you'll have to head to the link in our description below to read our full list of winners and the judges' verdicts. So, what was your favourite tech from CES 2026? Let us know in the comments down below, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel as well.